ba kitang tanungin kung bakit hindi ka naniniwala sa magic? Nahihiya siya. O sige, okay lang. Sige, dito ka lang. Ayan. Kids, before I start with my magic, paalala ko lang huwag niyong gagawin sa bahay to. Kasi pag ginawa niyo sa bahay, wala na akong trabaho. Mahirap walang trabaho. Okay? So, don't imitate the magic kasi para maraming trabaho. Okay, joke lang. Okay. So, Zyril, meron ako dito. Kids, sit down first. Meron ako dito deck of cards, no? Now, baraha, correct. I am going to give Zyril the black box here para tingnan mo kung may taya o wala. Sige, pakitingnan. Pagkatapos, kukunin ko naman yung baraha na nasa ibabaw at ipapakita ko sa inyong lahat. Nakikita nyo ba? Do you see? Now, don't tell me it's color black because I know it's black. Don't tell me it's two of spade because I know two of spade, correct? Okay, so ibabalik lang natin just to show you there's card inside. Ibabalik natin siya dito sa ibabaw at pagkatapos isasara ko ulit yung deck of cards. Okay? Baba mo konti yung mic kasi nakakain ko na. Yan. Salamat. Alright. So, may kaya wala? Wala. Now, ipapakita ko ulit sa inyo lahat ito. Watch closely. Now, more people say that in order for the magic to happen, you have to believe it. Well, tonight, whether you believe it or not, it's fine with me. Pero my name is Billy and this is what I call my own version of a magic show. So, tingnan niyo buti. Ilalagay ko lang po ang deck of cards na ito sa loob ng black box. And then I'm going to put it up like this. Alright? Now I'm going to do magic with my bare hands. What I'm going to do is that I am going to shake this deck of cards 3 times. Tapos sisigaw lang kayo ng Happy Birthday, Leons! Subuka! Okay, so isi-shake ko 3 beses ha. Tingnan niyo ang buti. 1, 2, 3. Shout! Okay, everybody look at my eyes. Are you looking at my eyes? Look at my eyes. Yeah, beautiful eyes. Okay, look at my... Joke lang. You have looked at my eyes. You're under my hypnotism. Tingnan niyo buti ha. Isa pa. 1, 2, 3. Mapapansin niyo, yung baraha ay... Nasaan?
Kapapan!
Kinong sa Chaco. Hindi, joke lang. Wala bang malakpak? Alay, malakpak naman! Salamat. Alright, so, I don't know where the cards are. That's what I call magic. Slide of hand. Thank you. Palakpakan niyo rin si Zyril. Zyril, may prize ka dito. Thank you very much. Ayan. Sino ba ang gusto mag-magic kasama ko? Let me see. Somebody who's bigger.
Ito, taba.
Ikaw na lang. Please. Micheline? Okay. Huwag ka upo dyan. Dito ka lang. Okay. Sa'yo nga sila. Micheline, ilan taon ka na?
12. Ay, 11.
Kala ko 20. Joke lang. 11. At the age of 11, Micheline, naniniwala ka pa sa magic? Yes, ako rin naniniwala sa electronic magic. Tingnan niyo. Toot! Ang ganda. Okay. Handa ka na ba? Hindi, joke lang. Okay. Yung sunod pong gagawin ko ay hindi makikita ni Micheline, pero makikita ninyo. Okay, inuulit ko. Ito ang sarili kong version ng illusion. Okay lang ba kung hahatiin kita sa gitna? Saan pinakamalapit na hospital dito? Hindi, joke lang. Di ko gagawin yun. Joke lang. Ladies and gentlemen, the next thing I'm gonna do is my own version of an illusion. Pero before I start with this, I'm just going to show you. Micheline, kapan mo ko sa arms just to prove na wala akong nakatago dyan. Sige. Huwag mo kinitiin. Kapan mo lang. Sige. Kabila. Alright. Now I'm going to show everybody. Sabi nila kaya daw naka-long sleeve ang magician at nakasuot ng jacket or chaleco is because may daya. Tingnan natin. So, wala daya. Pakibalik. Okay. Now, habang binabalik ni Kuya Art ang aking chaleco, pakikita ko naman ang bulsa ko. Okay? Ang laman ng bulsa ko ay panyo at hangin. Walang laman yan. Okay? My back pocket also has, asan na yun? Wala. Nothing inside. Right? And I'm going to show you again my other pocket, which definitely has nothing inside. Okay? I've been doing magic for almost 15 years. I started out when I was 17. I already, 15, 16 na pala. 16 years. Or 12 years yata. Something. Basta more than 10 years. I started out when I was 17. You're 12, right? So I was 11. I was 6 years older than you are when I started doing magic. And kids, sa paggawa ng magic, it takes time to practice and to perfect it. The next thing you're gonna see is an illusion. Illusion as it may seem. Huwag niyo pa rin galing sa bahay. Atras tayo. Mga kaibigan, ladies and gentlemen, boys and girls, good evening. My name is Billy, and this is my own version of a magical illusion. Do not do this at home. Watch and enjoy.
You believe in the boogeyman?
Nasaan yung pera nasa loob, no? Pwede ko bang tanggalin to? Lobat na, oh. Okay, joke lang. Tanggalin ko muna, ha? Naramdaman mo? Hindi, no? May anesthesia yung kamay ko, eh. Alright. The one who taught me this magic, sabi niya, you have to remove the coin. Otherwise, kung ayaw daw niya, okay lang. Kaya lang may side effect. Pag hindi ko tinanggal yung coin, merong side effect. Kasi bilog yung coin, bilog din side effect. Tatanggalin ko o hindi? Inulit ang tanong. Tatanggalin natin o hindi?
Tanggalin po.
Okay, tanggalin natin. Ito na. Watch this.